right on the roundabout and take the third exit.
I have to give you this as a serious fault, unfortunately. Mini roundabout, top of the hills where they do a lot of football training.
Black Snap.
Yeah?
Yeah.
You're turning right, third exit.
Okay.
What happened there? Do you remember?
No.
You did stop. You looked all around you, but as you start turning,
Yeah.
you went slightly faster, and what happened as you turned, there was a car coming on the other direction. You did also signaling left. You don't need to signal left, and you lost your control. You went slightly over to his side of the lane.
Yeah, I think that's what I remember. I think I remember that.
Yeah, but do we have to do second signal on the mini roundabout when you're going right?
No.
We don't.
Right now. Oh yeah, it is a mini at top.
That was a mini.
Oh yeah, it was.
Why do you think we don't give a second signal on the mini roundabout?
Because we haven't got enough time.
That's one, and number two, so you can remain in control of your car. And that, unfortunately, I have to give, because that car was too close. I mean, I was about to intervene, but somehow you managed to bring it back. We don't. We just need to focus on our controlling, though. Yeah.